Today, you're going to use a spreadsheet to calculate discounts. We're going to pretend that Scheels is having a sale and they're offering 30% off on all merchandise. Open up a new spreadsheet and call it Scheels. The first thing you'll need to do is set it at 200% and then merge columns A through F in the first row and make your row slightly larger and then type in your title called Discounts at Scheels. Next, center your title vertically and fill it with some color. Start typing your headings, and you'll notice that my first one's a little too wide, so I'm going to widen column A. And make sure on your column headings, when you type them, that you bold them and center them. You can use your shortcuts for bold and center, which is Command B and Command E, or you can use the tools in your ribbon. Next, you'll want to underline your heading using the border option. Then continue on typing in your item description and the price for each item. After you get done typing the price, make sure you go to your currency tool in your ribbon to format for dollar signs. Once you have your quantities entered, you're ready to calculate your subtotal. You're going to multiply price times quantity. Don't forget to include your equal sign and format for currency. Now you'll use your autofill. To calculate your discount, you'll multiply the subtotal times your discount rate. But remember, your discount rate should be absolute, so you'll need to press Command T when you reference cell B2. Now autofill. Now you're ready to figure the total. What do you think? Should you subtract your discount or add your discount? If you said subtract, you are correct. Anytime there's a sale, you'll want to subtract the discount because you want to pay less for something if it's on sale. So in your formula, you will need to take your subtotal and subtract out the discount. You can then use your autofill. There's no need to worry about an absolute cell reference in this formula. Now you're ready to total each column. Use your AutoSum and then use your border and choose the top and double bottom border. Now you're ready to autofill to the remaining columns. You'll notice that the 9 under quantity should not have the currency symbol. You'll need to go back up to your currency tool and click on General to remove the currency symbol.